These lines won't just inspire you, they'll change the way you think forever. It isn't what you have or who you are that makes you happy. It's what you think about. Source: How to Win Friends and Influence People, 1936. People rarely succeed unless they have fun in what they are doing. Source: How to Win Friends and Influence People, 1936. Develop success from failures. Discouragement and failure are two of the surest stepping stones to success. Source: The Quick and Easy Way to Effective Speaking, 1962. Remember, today is the tomorrow you worried about yesterday. Source: Dale Carnegie Course Lecture. If you want to conquer fear, don't sit home and think about it. Go out and get busy. Source: Dale Carnegie Course. Our fatigue is often caused not by work, but by worry, frustration, and resentment. Source: How to Stop Worrying and Start Living, 1948. No one ever kicks a dead dog. Source: How to Win Friends and Influence People, 1936. The person who seeks all their applause from outside has their happiness in another's keeping. Source: Dale Carnegie Talk/Lecture. Most of the important things in the world have been accomplished by people who kept on trying. Source: Dale Carnegie Course. If you want others to like you, become genuinely interested in them. Source: How to Win Friends and Influence People, 1936. Names are the sweetest and most important sound in any language. Source: How to Win Friends and Influence People, 1936. The successful man will profit from his mistakes and try again in a different way. Source: Dale Carnegie Course. Fear doesn't exist anywhere except in the mind. Source: How to Stop Worrying and Start Living, 1948. Criticism is dangerous because it wounds a person's pride. Source: How to Win Friends and Influence People, 1936. Be more concerned with your character than your reputation. Source: Course Notes, Carnegie Lecture. Happiness doesn't depend on outer conditions, but on inner attitude. Source: How to Stop Worrying and Start Living, 1948. Talk to someone about themselves and they'll listen for hours. Source: How to Win Friends and Influence People, 1936. You can close more business by being genuinely interested than by trying to be interesting. Source: Dale Carnegie Sales Course. Action breeds confidence. Inaction breeds fear. Source: Dale Carnegie Lecture. To be interesting, be interested. Source: How to Win Friends and Influence People, 1936. Do the hard jobs first. Easy jobs will take care of themselves. Source: How to Stop Worrying and Start Living, 1948. All life is a chance. The person who goes the farthest is the one who is willing to do and dare. Source: Dale Carnegie Training. The only way to influence people is to talk about what they want. Source: How to Win Friends and Influence People, 1936. The world is full of people who are grabbing and self-seeking. Source: How to Win Friends and Influence People, 1936. Nothing can bring you peace but yourself. Source: Dale Carnegie Course Notes.